guys, it's fogging. London na ba to? Eh, dito kami sa London. It's time check is 7 in the morning and it's fogging here. Look at the guys. Be careful, drivers. Ito yung aking mga kasama, ka-sister, at saka Jan, at saka yung aming driver na beautiful.
Sarap.
Sarot to, pagbantay na kayo.
Gani ka mangkon.
Fog kaayo guys. So, it's fogging.